Once you've downloaded the Instagram app to your Android device, we'll need to make you an account to use it. So you'll open your app, which you see at the top right hand of my screen here. It does have a couple options. We could log in if we already have an existing account. You could continue with your Facebook account if you have already signed up for that. Or we're going to sign up with an email or phone number. So here I could put my phone number in if I wanted to use that as signing up. However, you do need to use a cell phone that can receive text messages because Instagram will send you a verification code to your phone to make sure this is you. For our purposes, we're going to use an email to sign up. It's now asking me for my full name. So I'm just going to put in my name here at the top, and it's asking me for a password. You'll always want to save your password. Now, the other option it's asking me right now is if I'd like to sync my contacts. What that will do is it will sync with your device all the contacts of emails and phone numbers you have. That way, it'll connect you with those people and you can find them easier on Instagram. For these purposes, we're going to continue without syncing our contacts. Now you'll need to add your birthday, only because Instagram needs to know that you're old enough to use this account legally, and if you ever get locked out, it's going to ask this as a verification purpose. And now we're here. It's created my username as Social Savvy Seniors PB, probably based off of the email that I used to sign up with it. But if it gives you something crazy or random, you can change that username by clicking below. The green check mark will tell you that that account name is okay to use. Nobody else is using it. But if I had just put in, if I wanted to change it to Social Seniors, well, I'm sorry, but that username is not available. Someone out of the millions of users already has it. So we're going to go back and make it what it originally was, Social Savvy Seniors PB, and hit next. If you have a Facebook account, you can connect it here again. What it will do is it will show you everybody that you're connected with on Facebook that's also on Instagram and makes it easier for you to find people that you're connected with. For now, we're going to skip. As you see, Instagram will always try to get you to find your people that you know, connect with those people. For these purposes, we're going to skip, but you will want to start following your friends and connecting with them here on Instagram. You can also add a profile photo, which you could take right now from your device, or you could pick something from your photo gallery. And then it's going to give you suggestions of people to follow, mainly celebrities and big brands. But again, it gives you the option up here at the top to either do Facebook. So congratulations! You've now successfully created your account on Instagram, and you are ready to start connecting and following some amazing content.